Deep learning in cybersecurity. Detecting threats with AI as data breaches and cyberattacks rise. AI is now key in cybersecurity. Traditional threat detection methods often fail against modern, complex attacks. So, a subset of AI, deep learning, is vital in the fight against cybercrime. This video explores the link between deep learning and cybersecurity. It focuses on using AI models to detect and reduce cyber threats. We will explore the basics of deep learning. We will look at its uses in cybersecurity. Understanding deep learning and its role in cybersecurity. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks with many layers. This allows it to process and learn from large datasets. These networks discover optimal classification representations on their own. Deep learning has a big advantage in cybersecurity. It can handle large-scale data. This is key for analyzing network traffic and user behavior. It helps spot digital footprints that may indicate malicious activity. Applications of deep learning in cybersecurity. Intrusion detection systems, IDS. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, check network traffic for suspicious activity. They alert admins to potential breaches. Traditional IDS often use signature-based detection. It can miss new or evolving threats. Deep learning enhanced IDS can detect anomalies in network traffic. Threat intelligence and predictive analysis. Threat intelligence is about collecting and analyzing data on threats. It aims to prevent cyber attacks. Deep learning models can analyze vast threat data. This includes logs, threat feeds, and dark web info. Challenges of implementing deep learning in cybersecurity. Data privacy and security concerns. Deep learning models need a lot of data for training. This often includes sensitive information. The privacy and security of this data are vital. A breach could have severe consequences. Interpretability and transparency. One of the major criticisms of deep learning is its lack of interpretability. Deep learning models are often seen as black boxes. Unlike traditional rule-based systems, cybersecurity professionals find it hard to understand their decisions. Future prospects and innovations in AI-driven cybersecurity. AI and deep learning are tied to the future of cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, so too must the defenses against them. Several trends and innovations will likely shape the future of AI in cybersecurity. Conclusion. In conclusion, deep learning is changing cybersecurity. It offers new tools to detect and reduce cyber threats. It can analyze vast data and adapt to new threats with little human input. So, it is vital in the fight against cybercrime.